got them in boxes. Some of them have been there for like 2 or 3 years from before when we moved. So this is going to be really fun. I think it's going to be like, you know, kind of a little shoe shopping for me too, because I know I've forgotten, like I have so many shoes. I know I've forgotten some of them. So it's going to be really fun. Take number 200. No, just kidding. Morning, y'all. I am gonna Konmari my shoes this morning. And before you turn off the video, like, oh my God, another Konmari thing, right? It's like taking over the world. I am gonna do it my own Candymari method. And that is, so instead of like, if you've not heard of Konmari, what you're supposed to do is you take out like all of a like kind of items. So like, I'm gonna do all of my shoes and you spread them out and you touch each item and you decide when you touch it, does this bring me joy? And the thing is, like when I go shopping, hello, I only buy things that bring me joy. So it's like, I know I'm gonna love all these things. So I'm gonna try to take my own kind of utilitarian approach, kind of like things that maybe just I don't really like love as much as I did anymore, or things that I just know that I'm probably not going to wear or not really have the occasion to wear anymore, like kind of office shoes, you know, since I don't really work in an office, I work from home now. So I'm here in the studio. I work out in this room and do lots of my arts and crafts and DIY stuff. So welcome if you haven't seen this before. And so I've got all my shoes in boxes here and I'm ready to pull them out and get started. So let's go. Look, the little sock is attached to the flip-flop. Isn't that so fun? Oh my God, look, never been worn. So bad, I know, right? But they are adorable. Oh my God, I can't wait to wear these. Oh, you're gonna be seeing these in a workout video soon, I promise. Oh, look at those, y'all. Those are so cute. I love that hot pink and the mint. And actually it's a neon orange. See? Totally Candymari. We're not going to be getting rid of many things, I swear. Look at these. Oh, these juicy shoes. And of course, since now they sold the company, I don't know if we're going to be seeing a lot more juicy couture. So this could even be like collectible. There's a good reason to keep it. Oh gosh. Ah, look at these ones. Oh my God, how fantastic are these? They are by Desigual, and Desigual, like, I love their clothes. They're like are really colorful, and these have like, look at that, they have like the graffiti-esque espadrilles. Another pair, never been worn. Oh gosh, look how cute. And look at the sides, like the really cute platform. Look at that. They are so light, like cute. Yeehaw, these are my favorite cowboy boots. And I looked everywhere to find a pair that like had the turquoise in them. Ah, the boots have got my bracelet. That's a sign you've got like too many dangly things on when your clothes are starting to catch on each other. But look at this, look, isn't this cute? Like, oh, so great. It has like this little, like, can you see like the little metal studs on there? Oh, so gorgeous. So, door flew open. It's like we've got a ghost that wants to be in the video with us. So pretty. Oh. Whoa. Oh, I just want to wear these. What do you think? Matches so perfect. Oh, yeah, here's the trick. Took them off without falling over. Oh, I did it. So y'all, the cats are out of the bag. There they all are, all my shoes. Well, all the shoes. I have some that are out, like in the front hallway. And but let me just show you. But look at these, y'all. I mean, there's only a few pairs that I am gonna just immediately like pull out. And then the rest of these I think I'm going to be wearing them. I'm just going to have to come up with a really fun way to organize them because we don't have a lot of closet space here. But look at this. So let me show you some of so I'll show you some of the ones I'm going to pull out. So there's this pair, which I don't know, the color just is kind of blah, and they're really heavy. So I think to wear these, you know me, I think I would probably like break my neck. So those puppies are going to go out to Goodwill. And then there's another pair which are suede, and you don't really wear suede a lot here in California, and they just seem kind of like too worky for me. Look at that. I even had left the price on there because I got them at DSW. But I don't know, I mean the hardware is really cool, but I'm kind of thinking, nah, I think these might be maybe I might put these in the candyholiday.com shop. They've hardly been worn. So maybe those may show up there, so y'all can check there when we launch the shop. And let me see. So what are y'all seeing that you love or you hate? As you can tell, I really love Converse. I tend to have, look, 2 pairs of black and white, so not good. But look at that. It has like a newspaper print on it. So cute. And these, I have to show you these. Those are like, I love Oxfords. I think those are so cute. And they have this darling little suede bow. And so I can't wait to start wearing those. These are probably my favorite pair of shoes ever. And I hear probably think, why doesn't she take the tags off her shoes? But these DSW tags, sometimes when you take them off when they're on clearance, they like leave sticky on the shoe, and then that gets all over your stockings or your feet. And so I tend to just leave them on there. It doesn't really bug me. And I think these were something like 80% off. Like they were crazy cheap, and they are so adorable. Look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? I've worn them like just a few times, but these are talking about some happy feet when I wear these puppies. I love them. Look at this. Look at how cool they are. Let me just put one on. So beautiful. I mean, look at that. The glimmer just like, they are just to die. Love those. And as you see here, I've got a pair of, another pair of, these ones aren't Converse, but still my tennis shoe kind of phase. I think these are Steve Madden. Yeah, those are Steve Madden. Check those out. Aren't those great? They're like suede. And look at these velvet, these are, I think Velvet Angels. Yeah, Velvet Angels. Aren't those the greatest color? Yellow goes with so much. And then of course I have my nude ones, which I actually wear those a ton. And there's some other like really fun platforms. And then I've got those vintage slippers on the end there, and I'll try and walk through all this. But look at those. These are Oomphies. And actually these are going to be on candyholiday.com because they are too small for me, and they are so gorgeous. It just is a crime, but look at that. I mean, and they're vintage, like from the 60s. And I'm out of breath. I'm so excited about it. That was a lot of work taking out all those shoes, but they are just to die. Let me get the camera to focus on those. Look at that. Ah, come on. There we go. Really incredible. Like, just darling. So cool. And so if you love vintage, and there's another pair of Converse. Aren't those fun? The Dr. Seuss Converse. I wish I would have bought more pairs because they had high tops with the, like Horton Hears a Who. So cute. And then there's some really super fun Kate Spade with a great big old bow. Love those. My Ash wedge sneakers. Wedge sneakers are such a thing too right now, aren't they? And whoops, whoa, knocking things over. And these are my little Dolce Vita. You might have seen those in one of my videos. And another really great pair of flats. Like cute flats are sometimes so hard to find, but I love like these little pointy toes. And then these are Pour La Victoire, another one of my faves. And they have a really cute little wedge, but it's not like too insane. And they're patent, so I love patent leather. Sometimes it can look kind of hookery, if you know what I mean. But I love those, like they're just so classy. And here we've got like another pair of Converse. And then these are both Steve Madden, and this is one of the few times I've ever done this, but I bought these shoes in 2 colors basically. So there's the blacks, and they're really cute little booties. And then the white ones, they have just the white and silver, and they don't have like the buckle up around the top. And this is a pair of slippers, really funky, like marshmallow slippers. And these ones, now these ones I'm not so sure I'll keep or not, because do you remember that like a couple years ago, like the little wings were kind of a trend on your shoes? I mean, they're kind of Olympic, don't you think? Kind of like a cool pair for the Olympics to wear around, but I don't know. They were really cheap though, so maybe I'll just wear them and see if I like them. And then there's those cute juicy wedges, and those Pour Le Victoires, and Pour Le Victoires. I mean, I love these. The color is fantastic. And the shape, look at this. Anything that like goes around the ankle, I love. Like that goes up around the ankle. And then, but look, something happened in the, I'm not really sure what it was, but look, it's like a gray silver. But, you know, I think it kind of works. I might just wear them like that because they're way too fabulous to be ruined by that. And, oh, these are some really fun Vivienne Westwood jellies. They're one of my fave pairs of flip-flops. I wear those like to the beach, and they don't, you know how some flip-flops get all icky? Those don't. Those are really just perfect, and they're so comfy. And then there's this, my little Ciao Bella green flats, and some spacey looking tennis shoes, and my motorcycle boots. Those are from Bed Stew. And then they're really cool. They're like booties, and they're all pre-distressed. And then I've got these really cute red ones. So I don't know, and I've got for my heels, like I have a lot of greens, I just realized. But of course there's another pair of Converse. Those are also Dr. Seuss. And then these, I just love these, like, I don't know, what is it about green heels? I just love green stilettos. And another, super fun pair of Converse that have the little dots, you know, the flip down cuff. And then these are my workout shoes. And then I've got 2 other pairs of workout tennis shoes there. And I hope I'm not making y'all seasick. And then these really beautiful boots. Love these things. Those are amazing. Those were probably one of the most expensive pairs of shoes that I own. And these Jeffrey Campbell's. Oh, and those are like my little cushiony things I put in there. But look at that. Oh, so hot. And then I've got these really cute little leopard platforms, which are so fun. I've not worn those in ages. And then here's the Juicies. So it's actually not as bad as I thought, but I don't think I've picked out too many pairs to get rid of, just what I thought. Although there is one pair I see, which is these yellow box. Like, I love yellow box. They're fun little flip-flops, but these ones are looking kind of tired, I think. So I think we'll be giving those to Goodwill. So, and there's a few other pairs that I would just love to show y'all. I don't want to bore you though with all my crazy shoes. But these knee-high over the knee boots with the studs, the military studs. Love those. Those are really awesome. And these are like a really cool, like way over the knee boot. Aren't those really pretty? So pretty. And I love the bone color. And these Jeffrey Campbell ones, I wanted to show you, I forgot to show you when I was showing you these. Look at this. Look at the heel. Is that not the funkiest heel you've ever seen? And I usually, whenever I do like special events or we cover events on the blog, those are like my go-to shoes because they're like plastic and they go with absolutely everything. And then I sort of had, so I'm seeing sort of a theme here. So I've got a lot of like ballet shoes. Like here, look at these Puma. These things are so comfy. They're perfect for yoga class. Like if you want to wear shoes, maybe you forgot to get a pedicure or you just want some comfy shoes to wear in class and not be barefoot. These things are awesome. They're Puma and they're really, like you see, they're just kind of like conform to your feet. And definitely the bow thing we got going on. I love bows. That's probably why I like tennis shoes so much because they've got like the built-in bow. And like these Pour Le Victoires, look at that. They have such a cute little bow there at the top. And then just a few more pairs of espadrilles. And then there's also, these are a pair of Mia little suede booties. And they have this really funky, look at this hammered metal edging. Is that not so tough? Like for me especially, because sometimes I tend to be too cutesy with my stuff. So it's kind of fun to have something to kind of edge it up. But these ones, this is a pair that for some reason I don't reach for them as much. So they're a maybe for the Candymari method. I think we may get rid of those. And then I've got these really cool, like, I don't know if you're dancers, but if you dance, you know block shoes. So block shoes, they also make, for ballet, they also make regular shoes now. And they are like butter. I mean, butter. And this color goes with everything. And it has that really pretty, like, little rosette, but not over the top kind of thing. And look at that. And there's my curtain in the background that we did in our DIY video. And anyway, and here's another super cute pair of little booties. Now these have some suede, but I just love the heel. And I think the suede is like, it's not too much, and they have the patent leather, which is so hard to find. And my little smoking shoes that everyone always loves when I put those on Instagram. So there you have it, the Candymari method. I think I'm going to be doing some organizing today. Put all my Converse and bow flats and wedges together and organizing, so that'll be fun. And I'll show you the results, whatever I figure out to do with that. And here we have it, 4 pairs of shoes, definitely coming out anyway, and a maybe. Hey y'all, it's day 2 of the Candymari method, and I just wanted to show you what's happened overnight. I put together all of my tennis shoes. So here's, like, I've got my Converse collection in the first row. The second row are like my athleisure shoes, and then the back row are my actual shoes that I work out in. Ta-da, the real meaning of tennis shoes, right? And then over here I put all of my like things together as well. So I've got like espadrilles and sandals in the front row, and then I've got flats, and you can definitely see I've got definitely kind of a bow fetish. I have almost all of my flats have either some kind of bow or adornment at the very top. And then I've got my heels, and then like booties, wedgie kind of shoes, and platforms. And then the very back I've got boots, and I've got actually another couple pair of boots that are packed away. So I even cut some more things since I saw y'all last. So here they are. Here's the get rid of pile so far. So I know it's looking pretty lame, but we're gonna get there because Candymari rules, right? So anyway, so I hope that you enjoyed my little shoe tour. And if you have any, if you do the Candymari method in your closet, let me know, and put it in the comments, maybe some pics if you can, of any shoes that you got rid of and like why you decided to get rid of them, and maybe it'll help me pare down my collection even more. But anyway, I will see y'all later, and thanks for hanging with me. Bye.